Hello friends, in this video I will provide you the solution of NPTEL course The Joy of Computing using Python. The week 6 contents is available here. The quiz of week 6 I already solved in a different video. In this video I will provide you the solution of the week 6 programming assignments. The 3 programming assignments are given here, 1, 2 and 3. I will provide you the solution of each 3 questions, 3 programming assignments. So the first programming assignment is this, that Aman likes to study about planets. Every night he goes outside and observes some planets with his telescope. Then he gauges the distance of each planet and pen it down. In this process he also pen down his favorite planet position. Given the distance of each planet to be unique, you need to return position of Aman's favorite planet after sorting all the distances. So input is n, number of planets, list of distance of planet, and position of the Aman's favorite planet in unsorted list. So suppose this is given the 5 planet, the distance is given here, and the position of the favorite is 2. So output is 5. This is the position. The position of Aman's favorite planet in unsorted list is 2, and list of distances of planet at this position 2, the distance is 5. So after sorting the list, the position of Aman's favorite is changed to 5. So first, this is the solution. We have to first get the distance of the Aman's favorite planet by position is k minus 1, index is less than the position. So favorite distance, the favorite planet distance we have to find out. Then they sort the list using sorted function. Then find out the position of the favorite distance. Plus 1 is add, because the adding 1 to convert from index to position, we have to add 1 here. So they print the position. This is the solution of the first assignment. Get the position of favorite, then sort this, then find out the new position after the sorting of the list and print the position. So first click on the compile and run button to test the public test cases. The public test cases passed successfully. Now click on the submit button for the private test cases. The private test cases all passed here. So this is the solution of week programming assignment 1. Next is programming assignment 2. Romeo and Juliet love each other. Romeo wants to send a message to Juliet and also don't want anyone to read it without his permission. So he shifted every small letters in sentence by -2 position and every capital letter by -3 position. If the letter is C, after shifting to by -2 position is changed to A, and for capital D, new letter will be capital A. But the letter is too long and Romeo does not have enough time to encrypt his whole letter. Write a program to help Romeo which print the encrypted message. You can assume there are no special characters, space or numerical value. Suppose the input is a string and output is suppose input is hello Juliet, then the output ECJJM GSJGCR. So the code is given here. So first take the input string from the user, create an empty list to store the encrypted message, then use a loop for each character in a S. If check if it is an uppercase letter, then find out the ASCII value and then subtract from -3 mod 26 plus ORDA. This is used to rotate the letters in the range of A to Z. So and encrypt that append that character with the encrypted list. Then if it is a small case letter, then it rotates shift the letters by -2 position and then append that encrypted messages. If it is another character like space or digit, then append the character as it is. So this is the solution, and then then join the encrypted list and then print the encrypted message here. So first click on the compile and run button to test for the public test cases. Now public test cases passed successfully. Now click on the submit button for the private test cases. The private test cases also passed successfully. So this is the solution of the programming assignment 2. Now the programming assignment 3 is here. Write a function whole n which takes a number n and return the sum of first n whole numbers. Write the program using recursion. Sum of, like suppose 3 is given here, so we have to find out the 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. 0 plus 3. So we have to write this code for whole number, recursive function whole n. So base condition is if n is 0, then return 0. Otherwise n plus call function for n minus 1 and read the input list and then print the return value of whole number. So this is the solution of the assignment. This is already given here. So first compile and run. So the pass successfully public test cases. Now click on the submit button for the private test cases. The private test cases all pass successfully. So this is the solution of the week 3 programming assignment. So this is the solution of NPTEL course The Joy of Computing Using Python Programming Assignments week 6. Submitted on or before 7th of September 2023. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can provide you the more solutions of the assignments. Thank you.